And all right, so this UERL is not the one I want to work on. Hold on. It's that nasty one. All right. This is like fresh out of, this is fresh out of the BI. All right. Unfiltered and everything. First thing I do is I go up here and I delete these unnecessary rows. That gets deleted. And then from here, I delete this. I don't need this. This, I don't need this either. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. All right. From here, I select this entire row. And I go up to merge and center. And I unmerge. Same thing here. And here. All right, and it brings everything down. Then I filter this. I go here. Hit this filter. I'm just going to filter this. Go to the ERC. And I'm going to uncheck everything but result. It just copies all the results, all the stuff that I don't need to see. This plot. Then I delete all these rows. Now only things left is now my A's and P's. This pound sign is only for items that are CTAs, so that they're not an A or P. And this could be your laptops, your monitors, anything that's not really authorized by MTIL. All right. From here, this is what I do. I go to the UIC, and then I just select all the UICs for one battalion at a time. 2401. All right. So I did all, I got all of 117 by itself. From here, 117.
Got it. All right, cool. Appreciate it, sir.
Spell tab. Boom. I do that. And I go all the way down. And I'm getting to this because I'm going to build what's called a pivot table. Scroll back up. And literally before that, the first day that you came here, and I was, going to that USR meeting, I built this within minutes, just pulling this data. This is 282.
I don't have a copy here. Those are all of my computer in the rear. I have none here. It will all be in the rear now.
Scroll back up. We're gonna do this one more time. Augmentation, but this is all HHC.
Wait. I think I created
We're on the call of HHC brigade. Same thing. At 382, same thing.
Let me see what I can find. I'll let you know, but I know what you're talking about though. That's a good too. Big ups.
All 382. All good. All right. Back up. Now it's 122. So again, the more exposure you have to your UICs, the quicker you can recognize this stuff. If you've seen this, you can do this now. This is Gray Eagle. I am. I can call him back. Is it on Sipper? All right. Last but not least, 22. And I swear we're getting to the good part. You've done all this prep work, which seems like it's super tedious, but there's a reason why this is done. Okay. Um, all this is done. We've basically renamed all the equipments back to where they are. We've matched the equipment to like their battalion because before they were split by companies. We've compiled them all into one battalion.
Thank you, my son.
We're gonna copy all. We're gonna go to insert. Hit take. Right. So they see this pops up right here. Hit OK. And then this is going to pop up. And you're going to choose your data. So you want the lens, you want the ERC, the equipment readiness code. So stock on hand and assigned on hand. All right. Stock on hand is what you actually have. Assigned on hand includes in lieu of and sublens. So you would do. You would do assigned. And then of course UICs. How you would organize it, you want your columns to be UICs. All right. Make sense now, right? So everything that renamed is up here. And then the lens for the ERCs, you want to put that as a filter. Right? That filter is now up here, and you can select, oh, I just want to see ERC A's, or I just want to see my ERC P's. And it'll show you only your ERC P items, which are pacing items. And you can go to your A's, and these are all your ERC A items. A is just required item. But now this is everything. All right. Now what I normally do is I rename it TAV R 6 Feb. All right. And then I take this and I open up this document here. All right. And copy. I can create a copy. I select where I want it to go. Move it to the end. Make sure I create a copy is. And what it does. All right. So if you pay close attention to this TAV R 6 Feb. All right. And if you go to my formula, which is up here, and just make one little change, you would change this to a 6. And it will pull that data right there. All right. We're going to go ahead and do it. There. here, drag it all the way down. And you see the changes. That's literally how it's done. I'm going to undo it because I'm not doing it for this month. There we go. But that is how it's done. That's how you would do a UERL if you're trying to create it. Uh, just for this purpose of making it for this template that I built using FMS Web. I can show you a different way on a different day on how to create the same thing using DST. But that is how it's done. Go ahead.